Why do 60% of the world's lakes call Canada home? That's not a typo, 60%. Let's crack the mystery. So what's Canada's secret? It all started about 10,000 years ago when massive glaciers covered most of the country. As they melted, these giant sheets of ice scraped deep holes into the land, kind of like nature's ice cream scoop. When the ice disappeared, those holes filled with water, leaving behind literally millions of lakes. That's why you see places like Ontario and Manitoba dotted with blue on the map. So next time you see a picture of Canada's stunning lakes, remember, it's all thanks to ancient ice ages and a little geological magic. Pretty cool, huh?